So exercise 2.4. So you write the question from the book and then write the answer. I am writing the answer only here. So see, if in the question given that x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. Now you see, if x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then if I write x plus 1 equals to 0, I will get x equals to minus 1. So now put this minus 1 into this polynomial. If you get 0, then x plus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. So I got 0 here, so I can write x plus 1 is a factor of x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. Okay. Now if x plus 1 is a factor of this, similarly you just write, this is the similar thing, x plus 1 is a factor of this, so I will write p minus 1. How? It's because from here I got x equals to minus 1. So if I put minus 1 in place of x, I will get, so here I got 2 root 2. That means what? P of minus 1 is not equals to 0. So x plus 1 will not be a factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now you see, question number 2.1, given gx equals to x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. It is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 1. So then what? Then x plus 1. So if I write gx equals to 0, I will get x equals to minus 1. So I will put this minus 1 in place of x. Then if I get 0, then I can say that this gx equals to x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay. So here I got 0, so I can write gx equals to x plus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial. So your homework is 1, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. Most of you are not sending me the homeworks, so I told you before that please send me the homeworks. I will check it. You can send me in my personal WhatsApp number also. See, 3.1, since x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, so it is given that x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. You just write the question and then you just write the answers. I am just writing the answers here. Question is in your book. 3.1. Now p1. So how I got this 1? X minus 1 equals to 0, then next will be 1. So this one, so p1 must be equals to 0. So I will put x in place of x. I will put 1 here, and this must be equals to 0 because x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial given in the question. So I can write it equals to 0. So I will get k equals to minus 2. Similarly, number 3, since x minus 1 is a factor of this px, then similarly I will write p1 must be equals to 0. So p1, if I write equals to 0, then I will get k equals to root 2 minus 1. Now your homework is 3, 2 and 4. Now you see, in the question number 4, it is about factorization. So you just see, this is the polynomial given. You have to factorize it like this. So how will you do it? So see, this is the coefficient of x square and this is the constant term. So I will multiply these two, 12 into 1. So I will get 12, and this is the plus sign. Okay, so now you find two numbers whose if you multiply that two number, you must get 12, and if you add that two number, you must get 7. This 7, if you add that two number, you must get 7, and if you multiply that two number, you must get 12. So these two numbers 3 and 4, see, if you multiply 3 and 4, you will get 12. No, so, and 4 plus 3 is your 7. So I will write this equals to 12x square minus 3 plus 4 into x plus 1. So 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. So if I take common from these two, I will get 3x. So 3x, if I take common here, then there will be 4x minus 1. If I take minus 1 common here, then there will be 4x minus 1. So now take 4x minus 1 common, you will get 3x minus 1. So this is the factorization. Number 7. So p square plus 14p plus 13. So Here the coefficient of p square is 1, so 1 into 13 is your 13, and you must get now two numbers. If you multiply that two number, you must get 13, and if you this symbol, okay, this sign, not symbol, sorry, sign, if it is plus here, then you must get two numbers. If you add that two number, you must get 14, this 14. Okay, now similarly the way I did before, it is 13 plus 1, so 13p plus p plus 13. Now take p common, p plus 13, and take 1 common, so p plus 13. So now take p plus 13 common, then you will get p plus 1. So this is the factorization. Number 9, similarly I did it. So your homework is 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you.